Ladies and fellows, the jokes are over. We're going to talk about the Ripple court case today. You won't believe it, but BlackRock and the US Federal Reserve are trying to sue Ripple, which is impossible. This event is amazing in and of itself, but it also makes me think that the price of XRP Ripple could go through the roof. Experts are talking about numbers like $500 to $1,000 or even thousands of dollars per coin. This is too important to miss. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. So now, the settlement talks between Ripple Labs and the SEC and what they mean for XRP are something that's been making news in the crypto world. But before we get into the specifics of the payment talks, let's talk about why big banks like BlackRock and Fidelity are interested in XRP Ripple. Shannon Threll, a well-known analyst at Wells Fargo, said that XRP could hit a high point of $500 in the next few months. What's making people so hopeful? It's more than just a guess. It means that people are aware of how XRP could change the way people pay for things across borders. As you can see, the Federal Reserve has started to play around with XRP. A top advisor at the Federal Reserve named David Nui suggested that payment could be given to a third party like Ripple. This change could make it easier to send money across borders, both within and between countries. It could save billions of dollars in processing costs. But why is it XRP in particular? However, as Nui suggests, we could give the job of handling these electronic shedcoin payments to a third party, like a system like Ripple. This approval from such a well-known person as Nui shows that Ripple's technology is reliable and effective. Let's go back to the present moment now. Talks about a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC have finally begun. The crypto world is excited and speculating about this new development. What happens in these talks could have huge effects on the future of XRP. And it's not just about making rules clear, it has to do with the chance for growth to go through the roof. Jim Val, managing director at Phil Hill Capital, sees XRP as the world's bridge exchange in the future. He said that each coin was worth between $1,000 and $35,000. There is an elephant in the room, though, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. Rules and regulations. Regulators aren't sure what will happen with XRP for a while now, taking away from its full ability. But fixing these problems could open up a floodgate of chances for XRP to be used and its price to rise. Hold on to your seats, because this is where things really get interesting. Do you remember that the Federal Reserve of the United States was interested in Ripple? Hold on tight, because this isn't just about winning a court case, it's about something much bigger. The price of Ripple could go through the roof if this happens. It could send shockwaves through the crypto world. This is something you really shouldn't miss. So, new reports have proven something that a lot of people in the crypto community had been thinking. The Federal Reserve is sending XRP to a bank account in the United States. This confirmation has sent shockwaves through the industry because it proves that XRP is becoming more popular at the top levels of financial institutions. David Nui, a top assistant at the Federal Reserve, said it this way. This comment is important because it shows that the Federal Reserve sees XRP as having the potential to change the way traditional banks work. What does this mean for the whole market for cryptocurrencies, though? That changes everything. The Federal Reserve's role could give XRP more credibility in the eyes of people who aren't sure about it and make it easier for a lot of people to use it. Like we said before, Shannon Threll is a famous expert. It is thought that XRP could hit a significant $500 level in the next couple of months. In addition, the Federal Reserve's support for could spread to other cryptocurrency. Other banks might take note if the Federal Reserve agrees to use XRP. This could show that cryptocurrencies are a good way to update old payment methods. That being said, it's important to be careful. XRP still faces a lot of regulatory problems, and it's still not clear how the settlement talks between Ripple Labs and the SEC will end. Jimmy Val, managing director at Phil Hill, says that while regulators could step in and make things right, or there could be settlement talks. In either case, it's coming soon. Now get ready to have your mind blown, because Ripple's use of XRP goes far beyond what you might have thought. With Ripple, the world of cryptocurrencies isn't just a small part of its business, it's jumping in with both feet, and the effects are huge. This amount of dedication from Ripple shows that they have a deep understanding of the chance. I don't miss what's coming next, trust me. BlackRock and Fidelity were among the big financial companies that sent in an application for an XRP ETF. This is a huge step forward for XRP's adoption by the general public. BlackRock's participation in the XRP ETF application is very important. As the biggest asset manager in the world, BlackRock's support for XRP is a huge sign that the market is going to go up. In addition to showing faith in XRP's promise, it also shows that people agree it is a good investment. This seal of approval from BlackRock could make other big investors want to learn more about XRP, which would help it become more popular and rise in price. But what's so important about the XRP ETF application? For starts, it gives investors a whole new way to invest in XRP without actually holding the cryptocurrency. An exchange-traded fund ETF lets investors buy and sell shares that are backed by real assets, in this case XRP. This ease of use and accessibility could bring in a lot of new buyers, which would make XRP even more in demand. Also, an XRP ETF might give the cryptocurrency market the credibility it has been missing in the eyes of real buyers. If XRP had the support of reputable financial institutions like BlackRock, it might stop being seen as a risky asset and start being seen. This improved trustworthiness could bring in institutional investors who were hesitant to get involved with crypto before. But one of the best things about an XRP ETF might be that it could make the coin market more liquid. Trading volume is likely to rise as more people buy the XRP ETF. This will make it easier for people to buy and sell XRP at fair prices. This extra money could also help keep the price of XRP stable. Long-term buyers will be more interested in it because of this. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to get to the price of xrp+ripple, which is what matters most. Now, I know you've heard some crazy statements, but get ready for something that will blow your mind. We're talking about possible changes in price that could make everyone who owns xrp+ripple a millionaire. You did hear that right. You won't want to miss a second of this. Armando Pantoja, a well-known Bitcoin investor, is making waves in the crypto world with his big XRP prediction. Pantoja says that the popular prediction that XRP will hit $5 this bull season is way too low. For example, he says that the price of XRP should be between $10 and $20. Pantoja makes an interesting connection by saying that the $5 prediction is like saying that Bitcoin would only reach $1,000 in 2015. Bitcoin's price rose from $310 to about $19,000 by December 2017, as we know from history. An incredible 6,000% rise. Pantoja says with confidence that XRP is moving in a way that is similar to how Bitcoin did in its early days. This suggests that the cryptocurrency has a lot of room to grow. Pantoja's big goal of $20 would have to be reached by XRP prices rising by an amazing 3,300% from where they are now. He thinks this rise will happen during the expected altcoin season after Bitcoin's halving. It's not just Pantoja who thinks things will get better. Similar thoughts were shared by Nick, the founder of Web3 Alert, who said it is reasonable to expect XRP to rise 15 times to over $10. That being said, not everyone is sure. Some people, like former user Jorge Pineda, aren't sure that XRP will ever hit such high levels. Pineda notices that there is less development activity on the XRP record, which makes people worry about the future of XRP. Analyst G Wiz agrees with these thoughts and says that it seems very hard for XRP to go above $7.3 even when Fibonacci levels are taken into account. From Wiz's point of view, $5 seems like a more accurate guess. Even though people have different thoughts, there's no denying how exciting the possibility of XRP is. Some people think that XRP should get back to $1 before talking about higher price goals, but others agree with Pantoja's big picture. XRP could really go up to $20, they thought. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP+ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. I would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.